Once again, good afternoon. Today is about October 27. No? Again, thank you, Lord. No? I hope that this is it, Lord. No? Malagi, today is about 27, 2 p.m. Yeah, here, 2 p.m. No? I have the meeting. One of the right hand, it's a business tycoon here in Cebu City. Yeah? Again, he is here. No? Again, letter of invitation for the sale of house and lot to Mr. Rivers Go, commercial general manager and owner of the now Prince Square Hotel town. Thank you for buying. Here the letter, areas there, the description, in the assessment is clean lot from the owner Corita Giusatina. The next page is this one. This one, commercial lot for sale there. So money, no? Then contact here. And the next page. The next page is very unique, no? Going here. Again, commercial lot for sale. House here, no? With the ceiling price there, 97 million. There, the description is in there. The contact number is in there. No? The next page niya money ato ihatag memorandum of agreement respect to buyers and here tax there the documentary tax attorney's fee there conditional value Bureau of Internal Revenue there's the price there next one prospective buyers there buyers, which are all needed transferred to title by finished all the payment taxes as required by the government. Certified there. Again, from the owner, this is Corita Giusatina, in which here, then taxes and commission of registration and taxes of the transfer of realty and all total payments. So there, total gain tax there, here in the total, this is Corita Giusatina. Again, this is it, no? And then sa agreement po na to, we have the agent mo na. So atong gihimuan, the memorandum of agreement, 3 years old, with the 4% share. No? Again, this money is received as the commission there, 388,280. Here, a received copy. So again, there's a receipt copy. Also, we have also the receipt copy in there. No? So everything is documented with receipt copy. Again, asam kakakita nga na pagkahimo sa proposal. No? This is a business proposal by which I base this in the tungkol sa gift by God in the Durano Industries as a business development manager and as the author. Again, mo lang who's about trust and faith. Again, the trust and faith. And the prayer, again, thank you, Lord. So, kadong na ko dito. Again, thank you.